here we are. Another mind-blowing Lego thing. That one. Yeah, not that one, this one. Okay. This one. Okay, so first I'll name out the little details, that little bush. Just kidding. Another story about this is these guys. This guy is looking with his telescope at that planet or moon, and if you want, you could call it a star, but it is no gray stars. Unless if I just do this with an orange star. Okay, there, now you get what you want, an orange star. I kept with the little birdie and an egg because that was kind of cool. I added some more to this tree, and I made a new kind of looking window, and I put a lot of bushes there. I put a kind of seaweed and put some plants right here. Guy, I wish I could find a gray one of those. Sorry, it's instruction workers here, but it's fine. And wow. Usually planets orbit stars. There, you guys are together. Haha. The ones who... Wow, this made it way darker. Really? Is that the sun or is that... I put an eco roof and a bridge, and I made some and put some water. This tree is very fragile, trust me. If it drops, it's broken for good. Okay, I'll leave that there. I don't want to deal with that. And once we open the top roof, that falls down, and we get a couch and a carpet. So I hope you got in. Oh, this is the thing that I wanted to show you. Okay. This mat. Okay, guys are thinking I could have just did it without this mat, but I did this with the last one, and I'm doing it with this next one because if it blocks some stuff from rolling out, and like the other one, this stopped the water from going out. But it ended up getting too messy and I had to break it, so I built this, and this was the thing trying to help block it. You could do it as a picture frame, or you could make it for a Lego set. Well, not a Lego set. This is no Lego set. This is a mock. So I hope you liked today's video. Hope you got inspired by anything, and like my other videos, and subscribe!